This is my Harley Pan American, and I'm going to go through a couple of the mods that came with the bike or up on it. So first of all, there's this spray guard thing there that's not standard. I also had a quick shifter put on it, which is down here. This bump plate here is not standard. That came on the bike, that SW Motec one, which is obviously a little bit more robust than the Harley one. The trouble is now, a lot of bikes, they give you like plastic guards. Right, so I changed this screen to the Puig one. Also put bark busters on. Since I dropped my Triumph after like 2 days, I put them on everything there because obviously that broke a brake lever. This came with a bike, and this is an extra, and I don't even guess how much that extra is. 200 quid. So quite expensive extras for Harley. I bought this bit, which is a exhaust guard, and I just had the racks put on for the luggage. With hindsight, I wouldn't do this one again. Reason being, when I go away now, I have a top box in a bag going over there, so I don't really use them unless I was going somewhere a long way with a lot of luggage. And so going up the bike, the other bits that I've put on it, cord lock, I put these on all of them. It charges you as you go. It's quite easy to wire it in. And on this one, because there's no USB ports at the front here, I installed this one, which is quite handy to charge things. I can either run a lead into this bag to charge stuff in there, or I often have a camera on here that's always on charge. And yeah, and that's some of the extra bits that's on my Harley. Harley Pan Americans are one of them bikes that you, I think it's like a Marmite kind of thing. You either like them or you don't. And this is not just non-Harley people. Some Harley people don't like them. So yeah, let me know what you think.